write the function fx equals x squared plus 6x minus 40 in the standard form. So standard form means fx, the function in this form, a x minus h, quantity x minus h squared plus k. That's the standard form. By completing the square, then find the following, then we answer following. So first we want to rewrite this function in this standard form, a x minus h quantity squared. So we have to get quantity squared plus k. And remember, just let me remind you, whenever we have x squared plus bx equals something, okay, something, anything, and if we want to complete the square, all we have to do is add half of b squared. So b over 2, half of b squared. And to balance, when we add something, we have to subtract or add something on the right hand side. Okay, so we do the same thing here for this function. The function is given x squared plus 6x minus 40. Now this is x squared plus bx. B is 6. In our case, b is 6. So half of b squared. So half of b squared means half of 6. 6 half is 3. 3 squared is 9. So we need to add 9 to complete the square. We can add plus 9 and subtract 9, or we can add 9 both sides. Same thing. If we add both sides, plus 9, then this plus 9 should be moved to the right hand side after a couple of steps. So what I'm going to do is add 9 and subtract 9 as well. Okay, then I did not change anything. Or you could have done in this way, add 9 here and add 9 in the left side, and when we move plus 9 to the other side, that becomes negative 9. So I'm writing instead plus 9 and minus 9. Same in the right hand side. Okay, now the point here is, when we add 9 to x squared plus bx type, x squared plus 6x, so this becomes a perfect square. This trinomial becomes a perfect square, and we can add or combine these two terms. So let me write together, x squared plus 6x plus 9 and negative 40 minus 9. We can combine these two numbers, negative 49. Okay, let's factor this trinomial. Then we'll get two binomials. Hopefully they will be same. So we can write quantity square in next step. So x squared, so x 9, 3 times 3, 9, plus everything, so plus and minus 49. So that is x plus 3 times x plus 3. So x plus 3 quantity squared minus 49. Okay, so this is in the form, in the standard form. A, okay, so fx equals a. There is no a, that means we have 1. A x plus 3 squared minus 49. So this is x minus negative 3, because we need x minus 8. So x plus 3 is same as, we can write in this way, x plus 3 is same as x minus negative 3. This is x minus negative 3 squared and plus k. This is plus negative 49. In any case, this is the standard form. Now we answer a couple of questions. Find the vertex. Vertex means hk. So x minus negative 3, because we x minus 8. So this is x minus negative 3. So negative 3 is 8 plus k. So negative 49. So negative 3, negative 49 is the vertex. Now find the axis of symmetry. So it will be a vertical line. Okay, whenever we have a parabola, it's a quadratic function, means parabola. So there will be a line, vertical line. So x equals some value, that will be 8. That's the axis. So x equals 8. 8 is negative 3. That's the axis of symmetry. Now it says find the x-intercepts. That means the points where this graph intersects the x-axis. To find the x-intercepts, we always set the function equals 0 and solve for x. So what is our function? our function is x squared plus 6x minus 40. Okay, let me write the function over here. Okay, to find the x-intercepts we set fx equals 0. So the function is 0. That means x squared plus 6x minus 40 is 0. The function 0. And solve for x. Factor. If it does not factor, then we need to use quadratic formula. X squared is x negative 40, and we have to get 640. 4 times 10, 40, and 10 minus 4 is 6, so 10 and 4 are 4 and 10. 10 and 4, to get positive 6, positive goes to the bigger, negative. And from this factor, x plus 10 becomes 0 when x equals negative 10. Negative 10 plus 10, 0. And x minus 4 becomes 0 when x equals 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So negative 10 and 4 are the x-intercepts. Find the y-intercept. This is easier. Plug in x equals 0. Plug x equals 0 into the function here. So 0 squared, 0 plus 6 times 0, 0 minus 40. So 0 plus 0 minus 40. So y-intercept will be just negative 40, or the constant term, by the way. Okay, and determine whether the function has a maximum or minimum. Give that value. Okay, our function, let me rewrite one more time. Our function in standard form is given, we found in standard form here, 1 quantity x plus 3 squared minus 49. So 1x plus 3 quantity squared minus 49. Okay, minus 49. And this is a. This a is positive 1. This is plus 1. When this a is positive, our parabola, our function opens up like this. Okay, it opens up. Then we'll have a minimum. So the answer is minimum. If this number were negative, then the parabola would open downward and we would have maximum. So I would say minimum. Now we need to give that minimum value. The minimum, this is the vertex HK. This is the location where the minimum occurs, and the minimum value is the second coordinate k. K is negative 49. So minimum, so we get minimum, and minimum value, let me write min value is the second coordinate, so k, which is negative 49. Even if we had the case of maximum, same thing, the second coordinate is the maximum. Final.